Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about a solution to a problem given in GATE 2020 in ECE stream in communication systems, and the topic of interest is probability and random variables. Okay, the question goes like this: X is a random variable which is uniformly distributed from -2 to 10, and a new random variable Y is defined as 2x minus 6. So we are asked to evaluate the conditional probability of Y less than or equal to 7 given X is greater than or equal to 5. So first let us write down what is given about random variable X. It is given that X is uniform random variable from -2 to 10, and hence the PDF would be a rectangular function from -2 to 10 with an amplitude of 1 by 12, so that this total area is 1. Okay, so what is asked? We are asked to evaluate probability that Y less than or equal to 7 given X is greater than or equal to 5. So this is looking like probability of A given B, which is same as probability of A intersection B by probability of B, where A is Y less than or equal to 7 and B is X greater than or equal to 5. So by substituting these two events we get this expression, but we know that Y is nothing but 2x minus 6, which is given. By substituting that we get the second term is equal, second expression is equal to probability that 2x minus 6 less than or equal to 7 comma X greater than or equal to 5. Note that comma indicates the intersection condition, okay, on whole divided by probability that X greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so by simplifying we see that the left hand side is same as probability that X less than or equal to 13 by 2 intersection X greater than or equal to 5 whole divided by probability that X greater than or equal to 5. Let us digress for a while to understand what actually it means. Note that 5 on this real line we say we take 5 to be here and 13 by 2 to be here. So the first condition says that, or first event says that X is less than or equal to 13, and that event is given by this region which is shown here in the plot. And similarly the second event is X greater than or equal to 5, whose region is as shown, but both of, because the comma represents intersection, so these two events intersect only in this region between 5 and 13 by 2, and hence this numerator can be written as probability that 5 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 13 by 2, and the whole thing is divided by probability that X greater than or equal to 5. But using the property of probability, we see that probability that X less than 5 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 13 is same as integral 5 to 13 by 2 small fx of x dx, and by invoking the same property for the denominator we get integral 5 to infinity small fx of x dx. But we know that small fx of x is 1 by 12 from -2 to 10 and so on, and hence in the numerator we can replace small fx of x with 1 by 12, and in denominator also we can replace small fx of x with 1 by 12. But note that the integral limits in the denominator has changed from 5 to infinity to 5 to 10. Why? Because the PDF exists only up to 10, beyond which it is 0. So by doing simple algebra we can see that this term is equivalent to 3 by 10 or 0.3, and hence probability that Y less than or equal to 7 given X greater than or equal to 5 is equal to 3 by 10. Hope you have understood this problem. Thank you.